Hola, I'm Mary. On today's video, we're gonna be talking about... That's supposed to be drum rolls. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to add them to the video because I haven't edited a video in so long that I probably don't remember how to do that no more. But anyways, so on today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and first impressions. We're gonna try the new products from the brand One Size by Patrick Starrr. These are the Go Off makeup remover. We have a mist and some makeup wipes. So a few weeks ago, Patrick Starrr sent me a DM saying that he was gonna come out with some merch, that if I wanted to be part of the ones who like get the merch, and I was like, oh, merch, okay. When I heard merch, when I read merch anywhere, I was like, okay, it's probably like clothing, sweaters, you know, like a lot of YouTubers have their clothing and sweaters and hoodies and things like that. And I was like, yeah, I would love that because I really look up to him. And then I got this massive box and I was like, ay Dios mío, what is this? And ta-da-da-da, so I'm gonna show you the box. So this is the box that I got. When I got it on the mail, I was like, okay, what am I expecting? I have no idea what this is. And I was super excited. I was one of the first ones getting it before it was even on stores. And this is it. One Size by Patrick Starrr. I love it. I don't think I will ever get rid of this box. I'm gonna have it here in my studio forever. So let's dive into this. When you open, let's see if I can open it. We have a massive, beautiful face. So the first thing we get is this card that says, hi everyone, I'm beyond excited to share One Size with you, my new makeup brand inspired by my mantra, makeup is one size fits all. I hope you love my Go Off makeup removers. The mist and the wipes are an epic power duo for effortless makeup removal. Stay tuned for much more, and thank you for your support. XOXO Patrick Starrr, founder of One Size. That sounds so good. Oh, that is... Sorry, I'm super happy. So when we're looking at the box, we got the makeup wipes here. And then we got, whoa, okay, let me take everything out. So we got the makeup remover wipes and we got the mist. And here, he sent over like a little goodie. I'm gonna finally open it. I haven't opened this. I know what it is because I saw other YouTubers open it, but, oh my God. It's coming. Yes, okay, there we go. See. Okay, come out. Okay, the box has some messages on the sides, and we have super size Go Off juiciest makeup remover wipes for $15. Oh my gosh. On the other side we have Go Off makeup dissolving mist. I'm super excited to try this. I don't know why, but I'm super excited. This no drip mist is Patrick Starr's secret to removing full glam makeup. The super fine spray applies evenly to face. Oh my God, I can't read right now. It's like 4 a.m. Sorry. And transforms into a milky foam when rinsed off with water. Oh, okay. It's infused with calming jojoba and brightening rosehip oils to refresh and soothe skin while removing makeup. Okay, so you're supposed to transforms into a milky foam when rinsed off with water. So I got water over here somewhere. So the first thing we're gonna do is put this on. So this is the Go Off dissolving mist, and I got some water over here. And I'm thinking doing half of my face first, just to see how it works. Let's put this up. Just take off the eyelash. And oh my gosh. Okay, and I'm gonna take out one of the makeup wipes. One thing that I did realize comparing the makeup wipes to the regular famous ones is that if you compare them by size and thickness, this is a regular makeup wipe, like the most famous common ones, and this is the one size from Patrick Starrr. Like, it's almost 2 or 3 times the size of the common ones, and it's also thicker. It smells really good. Okay, we got the mist here, and I'm gonna mist half of my face. I'm scared. Oh, it's super soft. What? Okay, I got it on. I don't know if I have to like rub it or not. It's coming off already. I have makeup on my teeth. Oh my god, it's melting. Wait. It's literally melting my makeup and I just applied it. Sorry, I don't want to eat it. It doesn't taste bad though. But I don't think it's for eating it. It's already melting my makeup. Like right here, and I haven't even touched it yet. We got a little bit of water. And what? I guess. Wow. Okay. And then we're gonna grab our makeup remover. What? Okay, wait. Ya va. Oh my god. Wait, let me put it. Ya va. Wait. I can't. Let's do the red lipstick. I wanted to wear red lipstick because it's always so messy. This is like brujeria. Witchcraft. Literal, it's melting on my makeup. O sea, se me derritió el maquillaje. That was impressive. So, let's do something more, you know. I'm gonna add some body paint. Now I'm gonna add some glue, lash glue. Glitter, glitter, glitter. And let's add some matte lipstick. Let's add some mascara. And let's add some eyeliner. While my lipstick and my glitter is drying, I want to talk about something. First, it was so effortless to take my makeup off that it was insane. Usually my skin gets super red from me rubbing really hard, so I have no redness at all. That's amazing. I'm totally gonna try this on a full body paint. I can't wait to do that. But let's see how it goes on these sides with all the experiment test patches that I put on. And I'm super shocked. Like, it even feels hydrated. Let's take this lash off. So we got the mist again. It's weird because I feel like it's breaking my makeup. Like I feel it like dripping and like my makeup like coming apart. I'm not gonna add water this time because I've seen a lot of people just like using this and going in with it. So let's try that. Alright. This redness is from my lipstick. It's not from me rubbing. It's crazy. It's all gone. it has never been so easy for me to remove my makeup like that. So it feels super good on my skin. My skin feels hydrated. I still need to wash my face and do my cleansing process. Can't believe it. So this is the final result of my makeup wipe. So I still have like space to keep like taking makeup off if I wanted to, but I don't need to because I don't have any more. Usually when I use other makeup wipes, like it takes me at least like 3 or 4, and I still end up with like black under my eyes, and I gotta rub my eyes in the shower. But it took all my mascara, like it took everything. I have no glitter, no mascara, nothing. This is amazing. I'm like shocked. 100% recommended, for real. Like this, I need to buy more. I'm scared that this will sold out. Like I love it and I want to recommend it 100%, but I'm scared that it's gonna be sold out. Like it's amazing. What? I can't believe it. Well, there you got it. I needed to try it by myself. A lot of people were asking me about what I think about it, how I feel about it, and I want to try it with the body paint next. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments if I should do like a body paint, like a full body paint, and then try to see how long it would take me, like how many wipes and all of that. But I'm surprised on how good this worked. Like I saw videos online and a lot of people using it, and I was like, you know what, I want to do like a first impression video and see, like, do it for real. And I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I don't know what to say. Like I was scared. I was scared that I was gonna get like makeup on my shirt, that it was gonna drip or something. No drip, no makeup on my shirt, white shirt. Like I'm in love. I want more. I need more of this. So for real, I don't even know what else to say because this is amazing. I'm still in shock. The only thing I can say right now is that if you like this video, give it a thumb up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to continue watching more videos. I'm going to be doing more English videos with Spanish subtitles, so everyone is happy. And thank you so much for watching. This was super fun, super shocking, super surprised. I want to especially thank Patrick Starrr for sending this over, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.